This devlog is going to be a short one. I'll be going over the process of detailing the passage area. So last time I was done with the models and the materials of the passage area, but I was not very happy with the lighting. The passage felt a bit dark and it was affecting the visibility of the player. So to bring in more light, I decided to have a broken wall in the passage. This brings in more light in the passage while also making it more interesting. So I modeled a broken wall and started sculpting it in ZBrush. So initially I was going to use a metal pole to show the break in the wall, but I decided to have a tree instead. I just added some basic concrete cracks in ZBrush. Then I baked down these sculpting details on my low poly mesh in Substance Painter. I'm using the same blend material that I showed last time on this wall. I have edited it so that I can add an additional normal map to this material. For the rubble, I'm using a Megascans asset. I'm also changing its albedo values so that it blends with the ground. Next, I painted some foliage on the floor. I'm also painting the floor with the dirt material wherever I've placed the foliage. I'm also adding a few larger ferns to create some variation. I've also painted foliage on the broken tree bar to show that it's been laying there for a long time. Now that I'm happy with my foliage placement, I want to add some dirt to my level. To do that, I'm going to edit the master blend material. I'm using a tiling dirt texture and I'm lerping it with the base color of the blend material. I'm also lerping this with the absolute world position so that I can control the position of the dirt. Even though it's not very noticeable, the dirt map is also affecting the roughness of the material. I've made these changes in the master material because now I have the option of turning on dirt for each and every material in my scene. By default, the dirt will be off, but I can turn it on in the material instance. So as you can see, the passage looks a lot better now that I've added some details. I'm also happy with the broken wall because it's making the passage more interesting while also increasing the visibility for the player. That's it for this one. Thanks for watching.